We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NZD, CAD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right-hand side is a bearish red, long wick up to the top, more like a doji. So we do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint, also adding second level highs. So let's walk down the market and see what's going on. So back over to price action, bearish red doji with a long wick up to the top side of it. Second last candle is a cross doji, bearish. Okay, so price action, second last candle is side by side with one another. So that's creating an area consolidation within the third to last candle as well. So price, second, third, all within one another. So we want to see that breakout. So let's dissect that area currently now. So price action, let's grab that high area. Let's grab that low of that wick. Let's take a look at what's going on in that midpoint. Okay, so let's talk about it briefly before we walk down the time frame. So what happened with the monthly time frame? Price action came down, broke that SR line, that midpoint that we did create. Second last candle came back to retest and price pushed back down a little bit. So it's like on the third leg. Still looking for overall a engulfment pattern towards the top side of that third to last candle, the bottom side of that third to last candle. Maybe some wicks on both ends, maybe not, or maybe looking for a pattern to form for that market to push in that direction. But so far we do have that consolidation. Price action also coming from a pattern to the top side. That's why it's been pushed down to this bottom. So let's see what's happening at that top. So just paying attention to the highest peak. So we have that first leg overall, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push once. So price action is coming from a double top and a retest or a triple top of that area. First, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, and if it's respected and it comes down, that will be the second push. Okay, so if market's going to work its way up from this area of support, we have to wait till that pattern is formed. So it's going to look something like this. First leg, second leg with the breakout may retest this area here and then work its way for an incline W. On the weekly time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle engulfing the previous side, but it still have those long wicks to break through with the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, last candle. So we definitely have to let this market grow some more. But what we're going to be paying attention to as we walk down the time frame, we want to be paying attention to price action currently did break that midpoint of the SR line, the black SR line that we did create on the monthly time frame. So that means we're going to be looking for that break, that retest, to see if that market is going to push down further, or is it going to swap out back to the opposite side, retest the top, and then work its way back up. Okay, so overall we still are still within that consolidation area. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle coming from a pattern at the high, which is a double top and a retest with this spike. So double top, price came back to retest, and then market push. So what we're paying attention to is that we did receive that break of the market. So we want to see if market's going to come back, retest, or identify some type of retest candle for that market to push down further. So if not, we'll be still receiving that consolidation within this area. And if it respects, we can watch that first leg, bullish green candles coming up for second leg, third leg, and we'll see that market create that incline W. On the 4-hour time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji. So we don't know if there's going to be a turnaround. If we receive a candle that's going to engulf this area, market can come back for that retest. So we're identifying the break and retest. Also, that's on break and retest strategy. Please review the images. Or that market can break this area. So if we walk down the time frame, may identify the break, retest, and it's the push. So we'll identify a push if we walk down the time frame and see that. If not, market's still consolidating sideways. Price action is side by side with the second last candle in the market. 3 hour time frame, price second, still side by side. I mean, we have a chance for that market to push. Why? Price action body is below the previous body. Price action wick is below the previous wick. So our market could be drawn down a little further. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. On the 2 hour time frame, we have side by side candles, same type of candles. Long wicks up to the top, still weak candles, more like dojis, but different style. Okay, so we want to see something dominate this area. Okay, it could be to the top side to push that market up, or to the bottom side to push that market down. So what's happening with the market is price action spiked down to low, pushed up. So we receiving that consolidation. Already we do have that first leg, second leg, and if it's a bearish red candle, market's coming down for that third leg. If not, it's working its way up further with the second leg to the top side. On the 1 hour time frame, let's draw it out. Price action is a bearish red doji. Okay, so market has spiked that low with the bearish red candle, first leg, second leg. Price action is the retest, follow up with a bullish green candle, a pattern in that area. Market's coming from that double bottom. Now, if it's going to work its way down further, we did receive the break. Second last candle is a retest. Price action has worked its way sideways. If that candle does grow lower than the second and third last candle, bearish red, market's coming down for that break and retest. 45-minute time frame, same as well. So price action, second last candle, third last candles all within each other, just bouncing up and down on that zone, on that SR line. So we're waiting for a pattern to form as we walk down the time frame. So far, consolidation 1, 2, 3, all within each other. Even if you want to add the fourth to last candle, we want to see something break above the second, third last candle for sure. But on the top side, it may have to break above the fourth to last candle and maybe some of this wick as well. On the 30-minute time frame, now we're starting to see that structure. So drawing it out for you guys, first, second, third respects, market's coming up. If not, that's the break, retest, market's coming down. 15-minute time frame, same as well. So we can see that market broke, came back to retest, broke the opposite side, retest to the top side. So if it's going to shoot up or is it going to jump back to the opposite side, break and retest. Okay. Also, like it's a pattern trying to form in this area. Let's walk down the time frame so we can talk about it. Could be a double top. Headed down to the 5-minute time frame. Yes, it's an incline double top. Huge major spikes in that area. So overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, market's coming down from a incline double top. So if we receive the break retest, that'll be a double top and a retest. If that market is respected, we can see that market has broke, came back for a full retest. So counting that side for the first, second, third, fourth, we do have that double bottom, came back for a full retest. If market comes up, coming from that triple bottom. On a 3-minute time frame, still reading the same thing as well. We're going to see if this market respects with the price action doji. If so, market's coming back up to the top side. If not, that means that market is reading from a pattern which is coming from here. Let's read it. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, so we have that double bottom. Okay, retest 1. Second and last price action is a retest. If it pushes, coming for that second push down to the previous area. 1-minute time frame. Still receiving that consolidation, so we're waiting for the break of this area here. Price second, third, last candle is consolidating all within each other. So we can see once more time, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, retest 1, retest. We're looking for the push. If it comes down, that'll be the second push. If not, market's creating a new pattern. Could be overall. Okay, so it could be overall first, second, third. Market's coming back up and create that fourth. If not, we're just paying attention to this area here. So identify as first, second, price action will be the retest. We're looking for a bullish green candle push up for that incline W within that area. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy, very important information. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. NZD CAD.